Hello, everybody. Today is Wednesday, December the 18th, and today I'm going to be unboxing day 18 of the Christmas Fidget Advent Calendar. Oh my gosh. This container is kind of big. Very big. Might be one of the biggest, probably the biggest fidget in this packaging. Or something, or there's multiple of them right there, in there. Anyway, let's unbox day 18 and see what's inside. It's a big one. Okay. Oops. Let me fix that. Oh. I think I have an idea. Maybe I could just open it from the side. That might work. This is probably the biggest packaging yet. Oh my. Let's see what's in here. Oh my gosh. No way. Dude. Looks like we got poppets. And we got anyways, wow, this is probably the best day of the Advent calendar yet. Looks like I got 3 poppets. This first one is Santa Claus. The second one is Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And the last fidget is this Christmas tree right here. I'm actually having a Christmas party at youth group tonight. It's at the Coastal Church. And yeah. I'm gonna enjoy this. Alright, viewers, this is the Christmas tree puppet. Oh my gosh. This looks very cool. Got 3 poppets. Not only that, but I also got, let me see. Oh, wow. Looks like I got, some splat hands. Very interesting. I kind of like that. The ones that, like, we used to slap or, like, stick to the wall. I like that. Yeah, and there's some of these squishy little things that actually, like, slap against the wall. So, like, those slapping hands. And these, squishies. Wow. And this snowflake. Wow, that was probably my favorite day of the Christmas Fidget Toy Advent Calendar. I'm not gonna lie. Anyway, thank you so much for watching me unbox day 18 of the Christmas Fidget Toy Advent Calendar. I will see you guys in the next video for me to unbox unbox day 18 of the Christmas Chocolate Calendar and day number, day number 6 of the Christmas socks for the 12 days of Christmas. See you guys then. Bye-bye!